Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your friend in Excel. Just a moment ago, I spent almost 1 hour to solve this problem at the LeetCode website. And as you can see here, I have used the TypeScript programming language and it was fine, as I think. And I got the submission that faster than 85% of the online submissions, which is good. Although I have failed for many times for doing this. Now let's solve this problem again, but this time we are going to use Python to do the same job. At the first, let's read the problem or read the description of that problem. Find the first and the last position of elements in sorted array. Given an array of integers names sorted in ascending order, find the starting and ending position of a given target value. Your algorithm runtime complexity must be in the order of O to the log of n. If the target is not found in the array, return -1 and -1. For example, the first example is something like this, and the target is 8. As you can see, here we got 2 8, and for the 2 8, the index for each 8 is 3 and 4. So this is the basic idea of this. Okay, let's do it. Before we get started, you may want to set the key binding to VIN so you can type faster. At the beginning, we got a last length. We need to iterate this last. How can we do it? We can see this. We want to find the first and the last target, so we will have 2 indexed. The first index is the left indexed. At the beginning, it's equal to 0, and then we're gonna have the right indexed. For this index, it's equal to the length of that of our source last, and we get -1. Then we will do a while. And what we are going to do is iterate this array from left and also from the right. So for each node, we're gonna say left indexed +1 and the right indexed -1. And also we're gonna get the value of that of our indexed. That would be left value would be equal to length left indexed. Then right value would be equal to length of right indexed. And we have to do a judgment. We say if left value equal to the target, then we will have to save that indexed. So I'll say left target indexed. At the beginning, it will be equal to -1. And also the right target indexed at the beginning, it should be equal to -1. If we found our target, we're gonna save the indexed. So the left target indexed, it should be equal to left indexed. And again, if the right value equal to the target, we're gonna say right target indexed equal to the right indexed. And in the end, we have to make sure that this loop won't stuck forever, so we have to add a condition that will be right index should be greater than or equal to 0. And here's the condition. If the target is not found in the array, we return -1 and -1. How we can know if we didn't find that target? We could say if the left target index equal to -1 and the right target index equal to -1, that means we didn't find anything. So for this case, we will return -1 and -1. For other case, we would just return the left target index and the right target index. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, this is what you see. The output equal to 4, 3, but we expect the output should be to be 3 and 4. So why this would happen? It's simply because we overlapped the search. So we should add a condition in here. If left value equal to the target and the left target index equal to -1. And this here we are going to do the same thing for the right side. Okay, after add this, we should run this code again. And this time we got the right value. Alright, as you can see, we just did it, and this code faster than 43% of Python online submissions. So this is today's algorithm problem solving task. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.